Well, credit card skimmers repeatedly pop up on Tampa Bay gas pumps, stealing your hard-earned money. And now a new law is giving prosecutors more teeth to crack down on the crooks who are installing them. This law takes effect this week. It's requiring more responsibility on gas station owners and harsher penalties on the thieves. 8 on your side's John Rogers spoke with the agricultural commissioner about the changes. He joins us now live from Sarasota to explain how this new law is going to work. John.
Good evening, Jen. Well, basically, these laws were not harsh enough. These crooks, I'm told, didn't have much to lose when it came to stealing people's money, but hopefully that's all about to change.
528.
3 times a day, Daniel Varelli and his team check these gas pumps for skimmers.
Check the pump seal number here, match it up with the pump number 4. That's good.
Since he's been here, none of his pumps have been hit by thieves, but he's not taking any chances.
Starting tomorrow, we're having brand new pumps installed.
These new advanced pumps will have the latest security features.
It's going to be really, really nice. They're going to be skimmer-free as far as I'm told.
Varelli is being proactive, and so too is the state of Florida. Starting October 1st, a new law takes effect, cracking down on skimmers. It increases the penalty for installing the theft devices, which means more time behind bars.
It just wasn't taken very seriously. It was sort of unknown as a crime, so it was a high reward, low risk crime to commit. So he enhanced the penalties and made it easier to build the case.
The new law increases penalties on those with stolen credit card information, and it requires gas station owners to take proper measures to protect their customers.
We just have to stay one step ahead of the bad guys.
That's why Borelli's installing these new pumps on Wednesday. They're designed to make it very difficult to open the panel.
They won't have a key. They won't be able to make a key. That's the important thing.
He's thrilled about the new law, but he wants to do everything he can to protect his customers. Florida officials say one skimming device can steal thousands of dollars from hundreds of unsuspecting drivers before it's spotted. So it's very important to get these off the streets, and hopefully this law will help. Back to you.
John, what kind of requirements does this new law put on gas station owners themselves?
Yeah, it's a good point. Well, under this law, gas stations are required to take measures to protect customers, anything from these labels like what you see here to even encryption devices that protect that sensitive financial data. If they fail to do this, then the state could shut down the pump, which of course means lost money.
All right, and that's what it boils down to. John Rogers, live in Sarasota. Thank you, John.